For many users, a drone is a fascinating toy that lets them experience the joy of flying vicariously. But drones have fast turned into useful machines that aid in the work in certain fields too. Advanced drones are being used today to try out faster delivery mechanisms. Another field that they serve an important function in is that of photography. An aerial shot becomes so much easier using a drone, providing a new perspective to a photo or video. There are still very few top-quality drones available for general consumers that offer this photography feature though, and we have managed to spot one of the definite leaders in this product category for you.
Here we go!
The DJI Phantom P3 standard quadcopter drone is a machine that not just lets you enjoy aerial photography, but delivers sophisticated functionality with a simple learning curve that can be mastered by completely inexperienced flyers too. To add to this, its price point makes it attractive enough for newbies to take the plunge into the world of drone flying. In fact, the makers of the Phantom 3 Standard call it the most accessible flying camera ever built. You can capture 2.7K video and 12 megapixel stills using its 3-axis stabilized integrated camera with a live video feed giving you a 720p HD real-time view of what the camera sees right on your mobile device. You not only get to capture some breathtaking shots, you don't even have to wait till the drone touches down to know what it has captured. This live image streaming can take place up to a range of half a mile on the free DJI Go app on your mobile phone or tablet. This unique mobile app is not just an effective camera controller, but your own flight cockpit too. This brings us to the flying experience itself. Your high-quality camera would be of no avail if the drone's flying itself is unsteady. Thankfully, the Phantom 3 Standard is designed to ensure smooth flying with intuitive controls that will be loved by both new flyers and experienced ones alike. Its innovative GPS automatic flight assistant ensures that the drone returns to you at the press of a button, and the long flying time of up to 25 minutes with the included intelligent battery beats most standard drones and means you can shoot really long, continuous videos in one go. The Phantom 3 Standard package includes one battery and charger, 2 full sets of propellers, radio controller, and an 8GB microSD card. Even if you have never thought of aerial photography before, we are sure this highly affordable, easy-to-master device has already given you ideas. This camera drone seems to be a big hit with its customers too, with a really impressive average score of 4.3 on 5 stars from over 1,100 users. That's about all we have for now on the DJI Phantom P3 Standard quadcopter drone. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other reviews of drones here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.